Hi, in this session I'm going to go through the DSUM formula. The DSUM formula is way better than a VLOOKUP, and it also saves you time in doing the filter function. So let me just explain. So I have this table, and generally if you want to see what the sales for a specific region or a specific salesperson, what one would do is you hit filter, data filter, and then you would select a region, let's just say East, and then you would calculate the sales, which is 850. Right. So with the DSUM formula, you can actually do a small formula that looks at the table and a specific criteria. So it's just one small formula that will give you the result that you want. So if I wanted to say I want East, so the sum of all the East, that, see, it's 850, and if you type here North would give you this and this, which is the 221, and then if you just wanted North by Ming, wonder why that's not working. Oh, the capital letters. I'll just check. Oh, Ming is there and there. Sorry, my bad. It is working. There's the 221, and then yeah. So let me just go through the formula with you slowly. Okay, so let's just start the formula again. So equal DSUM, open brackets. So the database is the table that you're looking in, so that, comma or semicolon in the new Microsoft Excel. The field is the column you want your result to come from, so column 3, and then the criteria, semicolon or comma, would be that criteria at the top, and you click enter. 221. And if you have nothing, that would be the sum of everything. So that's the DSUM formula in a nutshell. So you don't have to drop any filters. It's the quickest way to filter out the results. Check out my other channels at the end of this video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want more details. Thank you.